What's up, friends? Joshua Zeba out in the food forest with the family getting some work done. Take you in on a little interplanting / harvesting update video. Over on the north side of the pond, finally getting some stuff planted out and harvesting over this way. Peppers are coming up finally. Got some new stuff out. Cucumbers over under the apple tree. And we did some more of them. Roman's going to help me be photographer today. Here's the helper. But this is what I'm super excited about. Got carrots coming up. What we did over here is we tried to dig out the center section a little bit deeper to ensure we were getting most of the wood chips really out of the soil. And then we added one bag of soil right down the middle and raked it out just a little bit. So in some sections, they're coming up outside of that area. But definitely the middle is doing really well. This is the first time we've had a good success with carrots. So we're trying to keep these watered every morning and just hoping that we get a real nice carrot harvest. It looks like we're going to. Should have more than we know what to do with. And then these tomatoes are new too. So we got tomatoes on each side of that row. I haven't counted them, but I'm guessing about 50 of them, somewhere right around there. And what we did was we raked all the wood chips off. It's hard to pick up the elevation. But you can see we're down probably at least 6 inches. We got all the wood chips off that we could. We're building some real nice soil. This shows you what we get after about 2 years of the wood chips breaking down. They're not all the way broke down, but they were definitely looking really nice once we started getting down to that lower level. So you gotta be patient with back to eating, and you do gotta add a little fertilizer to help it out. But you can really build some nice soil. And we're on clay here, so we would have never had something that was that pliable. And now this is a daikon radish over in our little square foot garden section. I think it is about time to pull that baby. See if we can get a rough. That thing is absolutely huge. So we'll be checking that out. That doesn't even fit in the harvesting tray. And we got another one we're gonna pull right here. Big old daikon radish. And some of these other ones didn't get real big for us. So I'm gonna leave these in. Actually, just to help keep the cucumber beetle away from this nice healthy cucumber and tomato interplanting that we got going over here. That's going to help with the pest a bit. So real nice daikon radish harvest today. Quite happy with that. We're going to walk you around, show you some of our new plantings under all the trees. We have cucumbers out. This is some of today's work. It's been the last week or so. So you always want to get them wood chips all the way out of the way, get down to soil level. Keep them watered at first, but then the wood chips really help take care of them. We got some carrot seeds coming up over here. Not quite as many. We didn't give this area quite the TLC that we gave the other area. And also the wood chips haven't been on this area for quite as long. So it does make a big difference trying to get them carrot seeds to germinate. The nicer your soil is, more pliable it is. This clay is a little tough on germinating seeds. But this is the area that we talked about before. Tomatoes everywhere around here. Cucumbers starting to be everywhere around here. Peppers. This is our original experiment we did. egg in the hole with the tomatoes. These are getting quite big. The ones over there that didn't get it are not. So we're going to stick with that. We just did a big strawberry harvest. I was looking for the bowl, going to show it off. I don't know quite where it got to. I was running out of room, so I stuck some peppers in over here, just trying to get stuff growing anywhere we can. Got Tippy the cat on guard duty at all times. Grapes along the fence. So hope you guys are getting some plants in the ground. Got lots of interplanting, starting to get going on a little bit of harvesting. It's an exciting time in the food forest. Get your carrots in with your tomatoes. Get your radish in with your cucumbers. Onions go in quite a bit of stuff, but they're good for almost everything, but do your research. There's a couple that you don't want to put your onions with. Peach tree's coming back to life. So it's a good time in the food forest. We've been watering out back. Things are growing up bigger out there. I'll take you on a tour pretty soon. It's worthy of a little tour out back for sure. We got lots of plants back there finally growing up. So alright, if you liked it, if you're getting your carrots in with your tomatoes, harvesting food right out of your backyard, if you like coming along with us, hit that thumbs up button. You made it this far. Hit the thumbs up button for me. And tell somebody you know about this one. Take care, guys.